Hey, it's Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning. We are cleaning up a coach right here. We're doing a little bit of pre-inspection with the black light. There really isn't anything up here that I noticed. However, as soon as we get over to here, we start seeing signs of a pet that was in here. The urine is pretty subtle. You don't see it at all without the black light. So we're going to make sure we get some OSR on here and get it cleaned up very well. And then of course I'm going to take it back here, see what needs to be done here. Looks like the pet wasn't really allowed to come back. I take that back, there's a little bit of urine there. So it looks like we got this area here, and we got the dinette area here is where the cat or dog seemed to do its dirty deeds. Alright, for today I'm using a Magic Wands recipe. I'm playing a little bit more with the products and mixing and matching. The Trashed Red seems to be a pretty base cleaning solution that is pretty much everything that has the sucker fence or whatever that word is, that allows it to get into, you know, your oily polyesters and things that generally like to resist moisture and water, so it makes it more difficult to clean at that point. But the Trashed Red really does help to break down that water tension so that it can penetrate those fibers. Gives them a good rinse. I'm also going to be adding the OSR half dose, because you know it is going in with the Trashed Red cleaner, but none of the products in the OSR and the enzymes and stuff are going to cancel out anything in the Trashed Red. And the same with the Nitro, which is basically a powdered peroxide oxygen booster that we're going to be adding to everything as well. And so what we did, we pretty much did a half a dose of the Trashed Red as prescribed in the directions, a half a dose of the odor stain remover as prescribed on the directions, and we also did a scoop of the Nitro just to kind of boost our product and give it a little bit more oomph. So right now I'm kind of allowing those granules and things to dissolve in the water. Shook them up pretty good, but that is only half concentrated, or it's super concentrated right now, about 200% concentrated. So we are going to add another gallon of warm water just to fill up the rest of the container there, and then that will be our full concentrate that we're going to be using today. Alright, so using Magic Wands Trashed Red with the Nitro and the OSR, it smells really good in here. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I believe that the customer is going to be very pleasantly surprised. So I am a pretty big fan of this Magic Wand company right now. This is awesome stuff.